In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Roblox Premium on iPhone. So there's two ways to do this, and I'll show you how to do both of them in case one of them doesn't work for you. So the first one is to go and open up the Roblox app and sign into your account, and from there click on More in the bottom right, and then here just gonna scroll down a bit until you see Settings and click Settings. Then here click Subscriptions. And there you will find all of your active subscriptions within Roblox. Now just find the Roblox Premium subscription and click on it. And from there just click on Cancel Renewal and then just follow all the prompts until the subscription is completely cancelled. So that's the first method. For the second one, you will have to open up the App Store. And then in the App Store, click on your initials in the top right. And then from here, go and click Subscriptions. And there you will find all of your subscriptions, both active and inactive. Now if Roblox Premium is inactive, then simply go and click on it. Now I'm just using YouTube as an example since I don't have Roblox Premium, but from here you can then click on Cancel Subscription, and once you do that you will have then cancelled your Roblox Premium subscription. So now you know how to cancel Roblox Premium on iPhone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.